This is Asakot Construction Ghana Limited. So we have these excavators that excavate foundations. If you want to excavate your foundation, so that it makes it easy for you to do the construction foundation. So now this um, caterpillar will do the extraction and makes the work so easy. Um, it is so deep. Let's go to the site. It is very, very deep. So can you see it? If you want to harvest, you can get in touch with us on 0244 489892. We have supervisors that are there who supervise for the work to be done, and we will come and do it for you. Thank you very much.